Hey everyone! Connecting TradingView to IC Markets allows you to execute trades directly from your charts using one of the industry's most reliable brokers. In 2026, this integration is primarily handled via the TradingView gateway. Step 1. Triggering the search. We are starting on the TradingView canvas. We're heading to the Trade button in the top right corner. We do this to pull up the brokerage search engine, which is the fastest way to filter through the hundreds of partners TradingView has. Click the Trade button. In the sidebar that appears, click Connect Broker. Type IC Markets into the search bar. The IC Markets logo will appear. Click it to move to the next layer of the connection. Step 2. The Regional Selection screen. We're heading here because IC Markets operates under different licenses depending on your location. Choosing the wrong one will prevent your login from working. You will see a prompt to choose your region: IC Markets Global or Seychelles, IC Markets AU, Australia, or IC Markets EU, Europe or Cyprus. Select the region where you originally opened your account. We do this for account compliance. Your credentials are tied to a specific database. Selecting the correct region ensures TradingView looks for your account in the right place. Step 3. Secure credential entry. We're heading to the final authorization portal. Now that TradingView knows which IC Markets server to talk to, it's time to provide your keys. Enter your CTrader or IC Markets username and password. Double-check your server selection, live versus demo, one last time. Once you hit Connect, an API token is created that allows your trade data to flow between the two platforms securely. Step 4. What happens next? We're finishing at the Successful Connection view. Here is exactly what you should expect to see once you click that final button. The Connect Broker sidebar instantly transforms into a live order ticket. Your current balance, equity, and margin will appear at the top of the ticket. On your actual chart, you will now see small buttons for buy/sell with live spreads. You can now drag and drop your TP, or take profit, and SL, or stop loss, directly on the chart candles. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.